Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the dual WhatsApp in your device Oppo F21 Pro 5G. So if you want to have dual WhatsApp in your device, you can get it by following the few steps which I'll be showing you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn all about how to get a dual WhatsApp in your device.